ESP BAS Light on your dash. Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to turn it off in just a few simple steps, without spending hundreds at the mechanic. Let's fix it. Step 1. Check your tire pressure. Low or uneven tire pressure is one of the most common triggers. Make sure all your tires are properly inflated and match in size. Step 2. Reset the steering angle sensor manually. If the light came on after a sharp turn or battery change, you can try this manual reset. Turn the engine on. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right until it stops. Then all the way to the left until it stops. Bring it back to the center so the wheels are facing forward. Turn off the engine, then restart. Go for a short drive. If the sensor isn't faulty, this should turn the ESP BAS light off. Step 3. Scan for fault codes. If the light is still on, it's time to plug in an OBD2 scanner. Scan for ESP, ABS, or brake-related codes. Step 4. Check sensor signals. Pay attention to any fault codes related to the steering angle sensor, the ABS wheel speed sensors, or the brake switch. If a sensor is giving no signal, it may need recalibration or replacement. Step 5. Replace faulty parts if needed. If any part is damaged, like a steering sensor or ABS sensor, you'll need to replace it. Then, clear the code using your scanner. Final warning. If the light still won't go off or you're not getting a reading from a sensor, it's time to visit a mechanic. Driving without ESP or BAS can be dangerous, especially on wet or slippery roads. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a dashboard fix. Got a question or a specific error code? Drop it in the comments, I reply to everyone.